Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a very nice and tasty chicken bread. You can make this in 30 minutes. So let's see how it's done. So we'll start by marinating our chicken. I have some chicken breast here that I'm going to chop into smaller pieces just like this. So you can use either chicken breast or thighs. It's up to you. So I'm going to season this with salt and pepper. And then we're going to add in some lemon juice. 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and 1 tablespoon of garlic. Now you can add more or less garlic depending on your preference. And then we're going to let this marinate for about 10 to 15 minutes. While the chicken is marinating, let's go ahead and prepare our bread. I have some hamburger buns here that I'm going to slice in half. You can use any type of bread that you want. And then I'm going to spread some butter on top. And then we're going to roll that sucker up and then we're gonna tuck it in so that it doesn't fall apart in the pan. Once the chicken has marinated, get your pan on medium heat and add a little bit of oil. And once the oil is hot, add your chicken and cook it until it's no more longer pink. So we'll cook this for about 5 to 7 minutes. Once the chicken is fully cooked, remove it from the pan and set it aside. Now add your onions and bell peppers. Cook this for about 2 to 3 minutes until the onions are translucent. Then add in your chicken and then we're going to pour our sauce on top. We're going to let this simmer for about 1 to 2 minutes. While that's simmering, let's go ahead and toast our bread. Place your chicken on top of the bread and then place your cheese on top. Place your pocket in the oven and bake it until the cheese is melted and bubbly. And so you have it, my friends. This is what your chicken pocket should look like. I love it when it's all melty and bubbly like this. Before I show you the final product, I'm going to go ahead and add some shredded cheese on top just for extra cheesiness. Top it off with some fresh parsley. And here is our final product. This is what your chicken pocket should look like. Super cheesy and delicious. Go ahead and give it a try. Let me know how it turns out in the comments below. And I'll see you next time. Bye.